Hey guys, it's Daijir. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel and happy Vlogmas episode 2. I hope you guys enjoyed the first video of like me decorating my room and also my first time vlogging. If it looks different, I put the tree next to me instead of behind me because you couldn't see it because I was like sitting in front of it. So I think this looks really cute. I might put something else back there, but if I do, I'll vlog it for you guys so you guys can be in on everything. So yeah, like I said, this is Vlogmas episode 2, and in today's video I'm going to be doing, as you can see by the title, a gingerbread man inspired makeup tutorial. I'm really excited because I just want to do like Christmassy makeup videos with you guys. To make this a little bit more vlog style, I did create kind of like how I create my face charts, because when I do makeup and it's like a makeup idea that I want to like come up with, I will usually make a face chart because I don't want to just go into it with nothing and not like a picture in my mind, if that makes sense, of what I want to do. So basically I created this face chart, and I'll kind of show you guys how I create face charts and how you can also create face charts if you have a makeup look in your mind and you want to like put it down on physical copy. I was gonna say paper, but it's not paper. Put it down on physical copy. So I will show you guys that video now, just a little like small snippet to show you guys how I make face charts and also to give this video some vlog style aspects. So here's how I make my face charts, and then after that we'll come back for the makeup tutorial. Don't leave, and if you don't want to watch the face chart, then just skip it. If you want to see the makeup tutorial, just skip the face chart part and stay for the makeup tutorial, because I promise that's coming. Show you guys kind of like how I make my face charts for my makeup looks. I just thought I'd add this little like vlog aspect since it is Vlogmas. So first, since I'm doing a gingerbread inspired makeup look in this video, I'm just gonna go to Google. Google gingerbread man, and I'm basically just gonna find an image that I like for the reference. I might use this one, so I'm just gonna download it. So now I'm gonna go over to the sketchbook app, and this is my face chart 1. I'm editing the previous vlog right now, as you can see. I'm just like uploading it right now. So I'm just gonna create another layer on top of like this face layer, just so the color can be seen. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I kind of like create it. So now I'm just gonna take and insert that gingerbread image, and basically what I do is I just take the color picker. You see how it's like the color picker, and I get the gingerbread color, if that makes sense. And I use the airbrush brush. So basically this is kind of the same color as the skin tone of the face chart, so I'm just going to use black to show you guys how much it like looks like eyeshadow. So you can like make it look like eyeshadow, and you can like create like a cut crease. You can do like lighter. So basically that's what I'm going to be doing right now. I'm just going to erase all this because this was kind of just like to show you guys. So now I'm just going to start trying to make a face chart of what I want my gingerbread eye look to look like. I also add like transparent of like crystals because I know, or like gems, because I know that I'm gonna like use gems a lot because I love using them. So I just like duplicate the layer, and then I just erase away the colors that I'm not using. So I'm using this red one right here to kind of give the button effect. So I'm just gonna erase. So now I'm just gonna merge all the eyeshadow layers together and duplicate it, and then basically just flip it. And then I'll have these different like lashes. I like the flared out edges, and I erase the lash off of one eye just so I can see it more clearly. And then I'm just gonna do like the face, which doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna do like concealer and stuff, and like I said, this doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna like lighten it up, bronze it up, see what kind of like highlighter and stuff I want to use. Alright, so this is pretty much the finished gingerbread inspired makeup look. I might change some things. I don't know why the red isn't really giving me gingerbread man vibes, but this is the finished look. I like it a lot. I did the little white things on the lips to kind of like show gloss, so I want it to be like brown and white ombre lip, but like with gloss. So yeah, this is the finished look. Now let's go back and do this makeup look. So we're back. I hope you guys enjoyed how I made my face chart. If I can figure out how to do what are they called, timestamps, then I'll do that, and you could just like click on the timestamp. So obviously we're going to be doing that makeup look that we just did in the face chart. I grabbed these little like Little Debbie gingerbread things kind of for like cuteness, to be like, so yeah, we're doing a gingerbread, but also this isn't really the gingerbread man type thing that I was like taking inspiration from. As you've seen in the face chart thing, it's kind of like the one with like a face, but I still think it's cute to like have these here. But I'm rambling way too much, so let's just get into the makeup tutorial. Okay, so first, oh, by the way guys, please ignore my like bump right here. I'm like breaking out. I don't know, well, just like this one. My face looks good otherwise, I feel like, so that's annoying, but please just ignore it. I know it like may look bad, but I'll try to like okay, so first I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer, and this is in the shade C10, and I'm gonna blend that out with a beauty sponge. So first I'm gonna take this shade, which is the last shade in the first row, which is like a light brown color, and we're just gonna take this, and this is gonna be our transition shade. So we're gonna put it on the outer corner, but also into the crease. And I'm gonna take the shade right under it, which is basically the same thing but a little bit darker, and we're gonna take that and put it into the crease. Now I'm gonna take the fourth shadow in the third row. Okay, and now I'm going to take the Morphe M441 brush, and I'm taking the fourth shade in the last row, which is like a darker color, and I'm going to very lightly put that into the crease. The next thing that I'm going to do, I'm actually pretty nervous about, because I'm going to cut the crease, but as you can see in the face chart, I kind of want to make it like, you guys know how like on gingerbread men it's like, I don't know how to explain. Okay, so like the icing on a gingerbread man is like squiggly, usually like on its arms and stuff, so I kind of want to create like that effect with the cut crease. So I'm just like really nervous about that, so let's just get to it. I'm thinking first I want to use like a pot concealer. Like I don't want to use like a creamy one like this, I want to use like a pot one. So I'm gonna take this ABH cream contour kit, so it actually wasn't even that bad. I really like the way that that looks. I just literally took the Morphe M124 brush, and I just kind of like stamped it, because it's this really like circular type brush, and I really like the creamy type color of this concealer, so I'm actually just gonna set it with some loose powder. I'm not gonna like set it with eyeshadow or anything. So this is the finished, not finished, what? So this is what the cut crease is looking like. I kind of like it. So in the face chart, I actually have like a red liner, but I think I'm gonna do brown at the bottom. Like, I don't know, the red liner isn't giving me what it's supposed to give, so I think I'm gonna do like a brown liner like across. I'm actually gonna use the NYX gel liner in white first, and then I'm gonna go over it with some brown, just so like the brown you can see it really clearly. So I actually did something and I am in love with it, and I think it looks more, you guys can probably tell, like a gingerbread inspired. So I just took some white liner and I kind of just like went around the little like cut crease thing. I did the brown liner. Nah, it's like okay, whatever. But you guys see how I did like that white? I really like the way it looks because it looks like icing. Like I feel like it looks really cute. I'm trying to think if I want to do like a little bit of a black liner just for like when I put the lashes on to conceal the lashes. So I think I might do that. But now we're gonna move over to the little like red dots. So let me just get my gems. I'm gonna take some lash glue. This is what I always use to put the gems on. And I'm gonna basically, as you can see by the face chart, in like a circular shape, put it on the outer corner of my eye. You can't really see them that well, but I'll do a close-up once everything is all like done with or whatever. I'm gonna go off camera and do my foundation because it doesn't have anything to do with this, and then we're gonna come back and just do some finishing touches, lips, and all that other good stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys when my foundation is done. So I did my foundation or base and it looks pretty good if I do say so myself. So now let's move on to under eye. So I'm gonna take the Morphe E36 brush and I'm gonna take the 4th color in the 3rd row and put that under my eye. Now I'm actually gonna take some concealer from the ABH Cream Contour Palette and I'm gonna put it into my inner corner and down like that. Basically I'm gonna put white eyeshadow on top, but this is basically just to make the eyeshadow look vibrant. Now we're gonna do lips. So we're basically gonna do like a brown ombre lip. So I'm gonna take this NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in the shade Downtown Beauty and I'm gonna line my lips with this. Okay, and now that that is dry, I'm gonna take the 4th brown in the last row of the palette that we were using. I'm just gonna go around my lips with it, just like another lip liner just to make it darker. So now I'm gonna take some of this concealer and I'm gonna put it in the middle to create like an ombre effect. I need to get like some dark brown lip liners and then also some like nudish, lighter than nude lipstick so I don't have to keep using concealer. Honestly, I might would still use it just because like you can just create the perfect like ombre with it. So like I love it, but I would say it's okay for now. I'm like sitting here trying to think if I like this lip. I think it's like different colors. Hold on. I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna go off camera, put on my lashes, and then try to fix up this look. Try to fix up the lip to like make it match better. And then I'll come back for the finished result. I need to do something. Like it's not bad, but I need to do something so it matches better. Why is this like one of my favorite looks ever? I feel like it looks so good. When I was doing like my foundation, I was like, am I over bronzing? But I feel like it looks so good with like the bronze. I feel like it also gives very like holiday vibes. Like I feel like everything just goes so good together. Like the background, the makeup, the hair, the outfit, the lips. I just added a little bit of like orangish peach-ish eyeshadow to it to kind of like make it more warm tone, and I actually think it looks good. What do you guys think? So yeah, this is the finished gingerbread inspired makeup look. I will do a close-up for you guys because I know you guys are waiting for the close-up. Honestly, I feel like it looks better from a distance. The little like white lines are a little bit messy, but I was like, you know what, it kind of goes with it because when you're icing, the lines can be a little messy sometimes. So we're just gonna go with it and not beat myself up over the messy lines. So yeah, this video was so fun to film. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload, especially if you love holiday videos, because we are doing Vlogmas this month. Obviously, since this is only episode 2, I'm calling them episodes and not days because I'm not doing every single day. Like I said in my previous video, it would just be too much on my plate, and when there's too much and I'm like overwhelmed, then I just don't do it at all. So I'm just trying to set like reasonable goals for myself. So I'm going to be doing my regular Monday, Friday uploads, except they're going to be Christmassy. I was about to say Halloween. They're going to be holiday, Christmassy themed. Some of them vlogs, some of them sit down makeup videos, but I might try to throw some vlog aspects in there. So kind of like how I was showing you guys how I create a face chart in this video. So yeah, this is Vlogmas episode 2. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You can watch episode 1 down below, and depending on when you're watching this video, the whole Vlogmas 2021 will be linked down below as well. Thank you guys for 100 subscribers. I forgot to say thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. We reached the end of the year goal, and it's December, so I'm really happy about that because I wanted to reach it like by the end, so like basically like December 30th or whatever, or like New Year's or whatever. And I actually reached it like, I think it might have been like the end of November, beginning like right December, in the beginning of December. But either way, thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. Keep subscribing if you want to grow this channel. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it a lot. I'm just really happy to reach my first YouTube goal that I like set for myself. So like I'm really happy about that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I see no difference.